Hello class, welcome to another part of the science class. Here we are going to do with the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. In the previous class we have deal with physical properties. So let's start today with chemical properties. Now first let's see the reaction of metals and non-metals with oxygen. So they do react with oxygen, both metals and non-metals. To show you this one, I'll show you a picture. Okay, in this picture you'll find that the iron, okay, react with oxygen to started forming metal oxide. And if you see in this picture, the metal when it is pure, like not reacting, it is silver in color, but after reacting it become brown. Now this brown color is because of the rust. So this rust is nothing but metal oxide. So this show you that metals react with oxygen. Same case, a non-metal also react with oxygen. Now here in this picture you'll find that this is a sulfur powder, and if it burn in the presence of oxygen it will form a gas called sulfur dioxide. So the gas that will come out from here, it is nothing but sulfur dioxide. So this also show you that the non-metals react with oxygen. Okay, now metals and non-metals. When it comes to water, metals react with water, but non-metals do not react with water. They react only with air. For this one, I'll show you something again. Now, looking back to this picture, here in the rusting, it is not because of only oxygen that it started rusting. It is also because of water also. Alright, so metals also react with water. But I have you another, kind of a clip to show you. That in this picture a metal called sodium is put in the water, and see it started reacting to form a fire. Okay, so this shows that this metal called sodium react with water, okay, to produce a fire. All right, okay. Now same case when it comes to like non-metal, which is nothing but some kind of you can say phosphorus. See, in this video I'll show you, okay, that how phosphorus, when it started placing on here, this is phosphorus, place here in this part, okay, you'll find it started reacting with air and then started also giving a fire. So this show that the phosphorus, which is a non-metal, react not with water but react with oxygen, to form this kind of fire. So this shows that the non-metal react with air. All right, okay, fine. Now we'll have about acid. Now metals and non-metals, when it comes to acid, they have a different picture on this. Some they do react, some they do not react. How to understand this? Maybe I'll show you a picture which is from your book. If you look in this picture, this is on the page 50. If you look to this picture, you can also have a look in your book. You'll find that some of these metals and non-metals, they do react with acid, just like here aluminum react with acid, okay, iron react with acid, okay, both at room temperature and warm. But if you see here, copper, which is also a metal, do not react with hydrochloric acid. Okay, of course sulfur, which is a non-metal, do not react with acid, but sometime there are some other, you can say, non-metals also react, and some they do not react. Okay, so you can have a look into this picture to understand who react and who do not react with acid. Clear? Okay, good. Now when it comes to base, yes, sometimes metals they do react with base, okay, and some of them like non-metals, it's a very complex situation which we are not going to discuss here, but we are going to tell you here that the metals, okay, react with base. All right, so this is about the chemical properties, okay, which I just help you here. So please have a look, go through the book, okay, try to understand, and if you have any questions related with this, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.